It's not a very good green screen anyway, is it? Oh, it's not. Alright. Bitcoin showing bullish price movement for the past 7 hours. It's not much, but it's a little. After showing bearish price action for two days. We got 7 hours of relief. We got rejected by 50k, bounced all the way down to 47, and with any luck we'll test 50k again today. Let's see. Altcoin should be doing good this morning. Let's check something like Coinbase. Coinbase, because they actually show. Okay, the market's neutral. It was down yesterday. Mask is up 75%. Tribe just got added. Getting in these coins early. That's what this channel is all about. If you like 1000x gains, subscribe. So we're gonna go to gainers. Obviously these new listings. Mask is not a new listing. Well, not really. Ampleforth bouncing back. Gitcoin, another good coin. Pancake Swap, taking a little bit of what it deserves. Cartesi. Let's see, I covered Gitcoin a couple weeks ago. Maybe even a month ago. It's up pretty well. Not as good as a lot of these other ones, but Gitcoin was a, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect Mask to gain a lot, but let's look at the week. Top gainers of the week. Still Mask. Avalanche, of course. That's why I am into XAVA. It is Avalanche. It's a launch pad for launch pad for the Avalanche ecosystem. I don't see why I can't get a chart here. CoinGecko has it, but they don't have the trading view. So it's been doing well. In the past 24 hours, it went from $3.69 to $5.13. Loving this coin. Past 7 days, it's gone from 247 to 510 in the past 14 days. It's gone from $1 to 5. 30 days, it was sub-dollar, 65 cents. And I just covered this coin. So subscribe if you like 1000x gains. These small cap gems. Cardano 42% in a week. So it's not showing the super alts. What will? KuCoin. Let's see what my picks are doing. Not financial advice. These are just my picks. And I think we're back online. I had to switch connection. There we go. Great. Now reload. Ank USD, Anchor Protocol. Don't worry, that's the 15-minute. Check this out, the 4-hour. I've been talking about Anchor for a year. So let's go to the week. Let's go to a different exchange that has the longer history. None of them do. That's okay. One day. All right. So I was holding this as it was going down, but Luna was making great gains, and I knew one of the reasons people were buying Luna was for Anchor. So I just bought and waited. I'm still waiting. It's super low cap. It's not up a lot yet. 87% in 29 days. It peaked there at 121% in 22 days. Anchor's gonna blow in my financial opinion. Next on my list here is Phantom. Phantom did not beat its all-time high, come close to its all-time high yet. Can't open this chart for you. Access denied. What the? Why is that still loading like that? Am I live or am I live? Let me check my phone. Am I live or am I live? Because my YouTube studio is just loading. Yeah, I'm live. I think. Yep. Alright. The rest of them on Phantom. And the rest of my holdings here. Not financial advice. It's just what I'm holding. And they're doing well even during the dip. This is insignificant. It's just a daily price movement. That doesn't. Everything's up a lot. All right. Let's get rid of that, whatever that is. So this morning it's doing very well. It's following Bitcoin. It's smaller caps, so it puts in more percent than Bitcoin. See, it's up 10% as opposed to 2.9. But it also falls harder. Let's look at the daily on Phantom, which I've been talking about for over a year. Here's the weekly, and Luna blew past all-time high. Solana blew past all-time high. Phantom's next, in my opinion. It already came back 285% in 35 days. And now all it has to do is go 88% to make a new all-time high. And it's gonna blow past, you know, once people realize Phantom's a great buy. Next is, I talked about XAVA. I wish I had a good chart. Well, they do on KuCoin. It's just not the best interface, but it has all the tools. Look at that. I love this coin. Love it. Just keeps going up. Making new highs. And that's on the 8 hour and you can see it moving. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to 1 day. Here's my tools at. They don't give you them. Let's see. No tools. No. So I highly recommend this coin. Next on the list is QI. Might as well look it up here on KuCoin. It's a strange interface. KuCoin Plus, never heard of it. I just use KuCoin. Let's go to KuCoin. Don't log me in automatically, please. Markets. USDT. Well, QI. Let's open that. It is dipping at the moment, but this is a great coin in my opinion. What are we on the 8 hour? Why is it always on the 8 hour? Here's a 2 hour. This put in. I didn't do a video about this. That's almost 500% gain if you're still holding it. I think it's gonna do big things. Big things. Bitcoin is going up. Altcoins follow. Next one. CIRUS. I just made a video about that. Also on KuCoin. I love this protocol. It's going up like crazy too. Look at this. May look insignificant in such a short time frame, but in the past couple of days it blew up 111%, and it's still going up despite Bitcoin going down didn't affect it. I like altcoins that do that. It's a great protocol. And you can see it moving up as we speak. Next is ORN. Orion protocol. I made a video about that. I make videos about all my top 100,000x picks. Orion's currently up 148% in the last month. And it's small cap. It's got a lot of potential. It's bringing all blockchains together. All my picks are about interoperability, fast, cheap transactions, and all working with other blockchains. And the Orion protocol, watch the video. Link up here. No, I'm live. There's no link up here. But the studio's acting funny here. Anywho, Orion protocol. Great. Vid's going up. I'm not sure about it though. Not sure I want it. Not sure I want it. It's been going up a lot. 18% today. It's good to be diversified. Let's look at it. Vid. It's been going up a lot. I don't know. can it keep doing this? 200% in 21 days. Or 91% in like just a couple days. I don't know. It's, what is it? Video coin. I think it uses IPFS. I don't think I made a video on this one, but it's been doing well. Look at that. It's chasing its all-time, almost up to its all-time high of, what is it, halfway up. All-time high was $1, and we're sitting at 58 cents. That's 50% gain to get to the all-time high. Videocoin.network, DYOR. Didn't do a video on that yet, but it's doing great today. Yesterday it didn't. Today is making up most of the gains. So take it with a grain of salt. UOS. Ultra. They're responsible for a lot of cool games, and it's doing very well lately. Past 3 months, let's look. Steady growth, and that's from 24 cents to 78 cents. Nice steady growth. Picked up recently. Things are picking up this morning. Alright, Ultra. It's a gaming collectible NFT platform. And that's pretty much all of them that I'm holding right now. I'm most bullish on XAVA, Avalanche. Well, let's check out Bitcoin. Look at that. You go, buddy. You go, bud. Let's just get past these other resistance lines, and altcoins will fly. But as you can see, a lot of my picks are flying without it, without Bitcoin. Especially Zaba. Avalanche. It should pull back a little bit soon, but this is a great rate of growth. %358% in 11 days. If you like 1000x gains, subscribe. That's 11 days. I'm looking at next year, 2 years, 3 years. Beautiful. What else don't I have on? I do have that. Let's see what's doing great today. KuCoin's a great place to look because they have all the small cap gems. Damn, QI's down 10%. Mask 90. Who'da product? I mean, who'da thunk? Cirrus up 50%. Beautiful. Beautiful. Watch my video on Cirrus. Saba. Avalanche up 40%. Watch my video on that. MTV is always up and down. Vid. Didn't make a video, but it's on my list. Holdings here up 18% today. These are just daily gains, folks. How's the S&P doing today? Tower's been doing well. Dago's been doing well. Cake, of course. DPET, NFT, Sandbox, Farm. OMG. UMA. UMA doesn't get the Bepro's good. UMA doesn't get the interoperability price factored in. I think it's undervalued. DABT, pretty cool protocol. PMON, another NFT play. VeChain. Unfi. Never heard of that. Gonna look it up. Alright. Unfi. Coin market cap. Unfi protocol DAO. 65 million. Binance Smart Chain. Binance Launch Pool. In the past month. $7 to $13, almost doubled in a month. Let's look at 3 months. So I like this, $5 to $13 in this current trend. A little over a month. It's looking bullish. Up 4% today. Let's see what it's all about. Uniting blockchains through DeFi. Good. Interoperability. Super pairs. You stake, you trade. Unified Protocol is a group of non-custodial interoperable smart contracts linking multiple blockchains together into one large DeFi marketplace. Utrade is the automated market maker trading platform utilizing the Unified Protocol for harnessing multi-chain swaps, and liquidity farming to power Unfi, Unifi's global governance token. Let's check out the GitHub, see if it's very active. I'm a stickler for that. And it has people, good. It's updated 4 minutes ago. The SDK. And it's updated all the time. I like that a lot. I need to bookmark this. Low cap gem. Maybe. Let's launch the app. Select a network. So you can use Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum. You can use Harmony One, Polygon, or IOTX. That's awesome. Let's hop on Harmony. Connect to MetaMask. Oh. Wrong browser. But look at this. They got bug bounties. I love to see that. The API, customer service, analytics, governance, migration, liquidity. You can provide liquidity to this interoperable automated market maker. Sort by APY. Last 24 hours. 342% APY. Crazy. So you click add liquidity. You gotta put the seed token in. What is seed? Is it a seed coin market cap? Seed market cap unknown. Audited by Certix. Did it say just Binance Smart Chain? First NFT release underway. OpenSea wearable. So it's an NFT project. I guess you can buy it now. And is this built on Harmony? Probably. Morning, all about the Hex. How you doing? Let's see. Well, let's get out of here. Out of here. Love the unified protocol. Love it. I'm on the wrong browser. I don't have MetaMask or my anything. Phantom. Let's look at the daily. Reset the chart. Phantom's been doing good. I think I'm repeating myself. Came up 290. It came up 300% in 33 days. That's great. Slight pullback, but let's look at Bitcoin. What are we doing? Which way you going, buddy? Either way, we're with you. Are we on the right? What are we on? We're on Binance. Let's go to, I think it's Bittrex or Polynex. Which one goes back to 2016? 2014? Weekly. This is 2016. Okay, it's got the most data. One goes back to 2014. Where is it? It's not Polynex. Femex? No. Bybit? No. Ruby? No. What's Bing Bong? Big Bong. We just looked at Bittrex, didn't we? That's 2016. That's good. We looked at Polynex, I think. It's 2016. Femex, not good at all. OKX, not good at all. Coinbase went back? Nope. FTX, nope. Bitstamp, I think that's it. No, hell no. One went back to 2014. Alright, let's just go to Polynex, which was, it goes back to March 2015. That's good enough. I want to go to the weekly, take this off and put on the rainbow. Let's look at the moving averages. Nah. Let's look at the rainbow. There's a bunch of them, so we're gonna find the best ones. So let's turn these off. All right. So how do you think this one's fit? Let's see what it says. Back in 2017, it hit this color. All right. The next peak. Where's the 20K peak? It's right here. Alright, so it doesn't have the first peak. I wish I had the data for the first peak. Let's see something. Which Bitcoin chart goes back the furthest? All right, trading view. Are they selling it? Or is it here? So it goes back to 2011. That's what I want. Is this it? Can I use it? No. I can't. Bitstamp. It's taking me back to not even 2017. I'm just gonna have to. I know I saw one from 2014. Bitcoin. OTC. That's the Grayscale Trust. Can't do that. What's the oldest exchange? BTCC. BTCC. Okay. So OKX, Bitflyer, okay, Bitfinex, Polynex, Bittrex. 2012 local bitcoins. Is that still in existence? Let's see. MX? No way. We need that first pump in there for more data points. Deribit Bitfinex. Okay. Upbit. Bitfinex. Bitstamp. I think we tried that one. Bitpanda Pro. Bitfinex. Great. We got it. This one goes back to 2012. Bitstamp. Alright, we got all the data points. Perfect. So the first peak made it to the red in 2013 at $11,000. And it fell to a low of $140 by January 15th. January 12th, 2015. If you held that whole time, it eventually came back up to, this is great, $20,000 in 2017, and it made it almost to the yellow. Let's just call it the dark yellow underneath. The next peak we called 66K, which I don't think is the peak, and I don't think anyone else does either. Well, let's see. First peak hit the red. That's 1, 2. 2 channels down. So the next one should be 1, 2 into the green, which is calling for a maximum of $204,000 Bitcoin. I think, look at this. Here's a little theory. Maybe if this didn't happen, what's this tool? Never mind. Maybe if this didn't happen, and we just kept on our merry way, we would be at 125,000 right now. This was a black swan, as we all know. But hey, what do I know? Let's check out another rainbow. They make multiple ones fit to different points, but at least we got a chart that goes back to 2012. And let me point out the price in 2012. The first drop dropped to $2.37. What kind of gains have there been on Bitcoin if you just bought it and held it? What does that say? I'm not used to reading numbers this long. That's 2,102,500. 2,102,559% gains. So if you put $1 in 2012, or if you just you bought it's incredible, the price appreciation. If you bought one Bitcoin for $2.37, it would now be worth $50,000. And it's going to be worth a lot more. Anyway, let's get back on the 1 minute and see what it's doing. Let's look at other rainbows. Let's hide this one. Stock to flow rainbow. What is this? I don't get it. Let's get rid of this. BTC logarithmic rainbow. Okay, I can get on board with this one. What's this whole bottom area down here? It's like doubled up. Okay. Anyway, it's fitted to the bottoms quite nicely. We're smack dab in the middle. Alright, the first peak got us to the blue. It should be colored better. To the blue. Second peak got us further. How does that work? And this peak is not in yet. I'm not sure I like this one. It's calling for basically this logarithmic regression calls the top exactly. It tries to. So this peak's gonna get put in somewhere like 150K, maybe. Let's not look at this one. I don't even like this one. How about this? I love this indicator. Let you know when things are getting heated up visually. But do I have any more logs? That was the one I like. It shows us low on the log rainbow. The top is 620,000. I like that. Let's find some more logs. BTC logarithmic. Come on. There we go. Didn't let me get that fib at the end. But let me turn these off so we can look at one at a time. Boom. Boom, boom. BTC log curve zones. And look at this log curves oscillator. What is this? Alright. So back in 2011 it dropped, came back up for the first. This is what people think we're seeing now, a double peak. Came up for the first peak and then for the real peak, and then dropped for a while. This is pretty much the price of Bitcoin. I don't know what this line represents, or this line. We came up on that peak, dropped. There's the black swan, which is the lowest this has ever been, the oscillator. So I see what it's doing. It's not an exact price. So that was in fact a black swan. Whoever bought there, you're a great person. So people think this is gonna play out the same, something like this, a double top. So we had our first one here. Just try to fit it best we can. First one here, and then we should blow. And given market cap and the fact that it's harder to move the price now, let's shrink it. Where'd it go? Alright, let's shrink it. Put that right there. And that's still calling for, oh my god, we need to shrink it more. It won't let me. There we go. Oh, whatever. How about this? Strange happenings here. Won't let me. Anyway, I like this oscillator, the volumetric oscillator. But let's look at. Okay, here we go. Why does it disappear like that? What's going on? Get all that. Okay. So if this log rainbow has its way, the upper band right now is 120,000. If this is in fact a double peak like 2013, let me see if this will work now. So we already had the first peak. So let's just grab this and please work now. And we gotta shrink it because it's harder to move. That was almost good. So finicky. And it's gonna have to take longer. Oh. There we go. Something like this. And that'll end up getting up towards that rainbow, so we're looking at over $100,000 Bitcoin for sure, in my opinion. No doubt about it. This chart is bullish. Just wanna eat it. All right. How's everything else doing? Market's up 103 now. Not just neutral, but bearish. I mean bullish. Anybody even watching? Let me see. Nope. Oh, 3 people. What's up, guys? So let's look what's up in the hour. Mask Network is up another 8% in the hour. Ampleforth another 4% in the hour. Engine 3 in the hour. Can you believe this? Mask Network. It's now 340 million market cap. Still small. Still so small. Look what you could have picked this up for. I made a video on Mask over a month ago. Maybe a couple months ago. So let's just look at 1 month. It's up 446%. I sound like a broken record, but if you like 1000x gains, and who doesn't, smash every single button you can find on my channel. We got some great winners. Great winners. Right there's Mask. Right here's Cirrus. Check it out. I have a video on that. Right here's Avalanche. Up 34% today. I got a video on that. Check it out. Cirrus is up 60% today. And I expect more gains today. And for the rest of the year. XRP getting its just dessert. PNT of 5% today. I got a video on that. And PMON. And GRT. Harmony 1. And Rally. Got videos on all these. But mostly the top gainers. And especially the weekly and monthly top gainers. I've been talking about Luna, Avalanche, Solana. I've been saying Solana is my favorite coin for months. So, smash all the different buttons if you like 1000x gains. Not financial advice. Crypto Lodge signing off.